Cathie Wood is once again day trading U.S. stocks. This time it's Tesla and Palantir. This article is coming from Benzinga. Cathie Wood's Ark Invest sells Tesla shares, boosts its position in Palantir. So let's get into the article. Before we look at the charts, so on Thursday, Cathie Wood executed significant transactions, including the sale of Tesla and the purchase of Palantir Technologies. Ark Invest's decision to sell Tesla shares has been a recurring theme in recent days. On Wednesday, she offloaded 8.42 million worth of Tesla shares. This follows a significant sale of nearly 20.56 million through the same ETF the previous day. Despite these sales, she's still bullish on Tesla's future, thanks in part to the launch of their robotaxi service in the future. And she has a $2,000 price target by 2027. So she sold Tesla shares, she bought Palantir. That same day, she picked up 1.029 million shares, valued at 15 million. The shares were acquired through her Fintech Innovation Fund and Next Generation Internet Fund. This purchase comes after Palantir's recent AIP conference, where the company showcased its AI capabilities. Dan Ives, an analyst on Wedbush, lauded that Palantir for its pioneer efforts in guiding customers to products, optimizing workflow, and producing operational results at industry-leading rates. Ives believes that Palantir is on track to capture a significant share of the $1 trillion global AI market. Alright, so let's get into the charts. This is Tesla, and if we go to the weekly chart, we can see price is in between weekly sellers at 264 and daily buyers at 240. We did get a close above the upper portion of the zone. However, this week we are seeing a sell-off, which is in alignment with the U.S. equities. Just kind of going down to the daily chart. Just want to show you how that daily buyer's level was formed. You had a rally in price, one basic candle, the rally out, came into weekly sellers, pulled back. This September 1st candle dipped its toes into the zone, pulled away. Price tried to come back, could not get here, so there's definitely unfilled buy orders here. This zone is pretty much used up, but I'm leaving it on for now. The setup would be the following. Come down to the daily buys at 240, push higher. Looking to close that gap at 292. All right, let's go to Palantir now. Chart looks real ugly, but we can see how the price on the monthly chart bottomed out, hit an accumulation phase, and we had a strong rally in May. One basic candle and then a rally out. So we had monthly buyers at the $14 level. I'm going to take this off so we can see it a bit clearer. Now, in the process of forming this monthly buyers level at $14, price took out what was sellers at $18.50. And typically what happens, the higher time frame zones trump the lower time frame zones. So let's go to the weekly chart just to see that zone, how it was formed. Got a drop in price, a couple of basic candles and a drop. Now what you can see, let's take this off. Price did react the first time to the zone, pulled back a couple of dollars before shooting higher. Again, the downtrend was violated with this move higher. The momentum was to the upside. So typically what you get is just a reaction if you're in an uptrend. Alright, so price now has been basing in the monthly bias level for the last couple of weeks. The longer it bases within a zone, the less effective the zone becomes. I'm going to take off this dash white line. So right now I'm going to take off this weekly seller's level. So price over the last several weeks has penetrated the zone more than 50%. So the likelihood of this level, this zone holding, decreases more and more with time. So if we get a breach and a close below, where can price go? I like round hole psychological numbers. In this case, we have at the $10 level, you have support, which became resistance, potentially support once again. So there's no trade setup at the moment. We'll have to see what price action is going to do next. Are we going to get a break in price to the upside or to the downside? Only time will tell. Cathie's not concerned. She's loading up. Dan Ives from Wedbush thinks Palantir is going to take a decent amount of market share in the $1 trillion AI boom in the future. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.